So the manufacturing sector in the UK is very important and it faces a lot of challenges every day, such as a labour shortage, a real skills gap, there's stock control problems. Also, we need to save costs because the market at the minute is volatile and there's a lot of competition in there as well. So Hoffman have looked into this and we've realised that a lot of customers spend a lot of time with the walk and wait and they don't actually realise the amount of wasted time that there is in their factory. So we have a solution, which is our inventory management program, and we can put some sort of inventory management so that the product needed is next to the people doing the job and it's there. We cut the time down and the walk and wait time is massively reduced and the cost savings for the customer are huge. We have a specialist team at Hoffman here who can build a solution right for you, so get in touch for more information.